All right. Welcome to Frank's Crypto Corner, where we bring you all kinds of news and information about cryptocurrency, mining the coin, staking the coin, using that credit card from BlockFi credit card to get rewards back in Bitcoin, all kinds of good stuff. Well, today we're talking about crypto.com, the coin, being up 65%. We're also going to talk about the naming of the Staples Center to crypto.com. It doesn't seem like too many people are happy about it, but the coin is jumping off the chart right now, maybe because of the naming. We'll see. And then also Hillary Clinton is not a big fan of cryptocurrency. We got a little article about what she's saying about cryptocurrency and how she feels about mining and everything else. So we're going to talk a little bit about Hillary Clinton not necessarily liking the cryptocurrency, crypto.com, the coin jumping off the charts, and the naming of crypto.com. The LA Staples Center fans are not happy. All kinds of good stuff going on today. Don't forget to hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up and coming videos. A goal on this channel is to basically help every single person learn about cryptocurrency. This crypto.com, they're trying to help everybody learn about cryptocurrency, because when you're sitting in the stands and you're watching the Lakers play and everybody's hearing about crypto.com, well, literally you got Tom Brady today going to be talking about what he's getting into. You got Elon Musk, he's basically tweeting this and that. Mark Cuban likes to basically cryptocurrency, all kinds of good stuff. But this crypto.com naming and coin, yeah, guess what? Cryptocurrency is here to stay. So with that, everybody, let's head over to crypto.com. All right, over here at Coin Market. So take a look at this. Here's our favorite friend Shiba Inu at number 12, and there's Dogecoin at number 10, and there's Avalanche at number 11. Well, crypto.com coin is at number 13. And this coin is up 65% in the last 7 days, so there's a lot of movement going on. And in the last 24 hours, this coin is up about 28%. So before we jump over there, we're right here at the top 10. Let's do the top 10. So Bitcoin is at number 1. It's under 60,000. It's at 59,300. It's down about 7% in the last 7 days, and it's up almost 3% in the last 24 hours. Ethereum is still solid at 43.66 at number 2. It's got to wash itself out. It's down 4% in the last 7 days, and it's up 3% in the last 24 hours. Binance Coin is at 591, down about 9% in the last 7 days. Tether's at number 4. Solana's at 216, down about 7% in the last 7 days, up about 4%. Cardano is at $1.88, down 7% in the last 24 hours. In the last 7 days. XRP is at $1.08, it's down 8% in the last 7 days. Polkadot is down 8% and up 3%, trading at $41.54. USD coin is at $1. And right there, Dogecoin is at number 10, down 12%, being traded at $22.99 at number 10. So here we are, crypto.com. First time we're talking about it, and it's not number 6,000. It's not number 3,000. It's not number 1,000. It's already in the top 100. In fact, it's already in the top 20, crypto.com. So this coin right now is being traded at about 70 cents. It's up 29%. In the last 7 days, take a look at this coin. I mean, it was basically at 45 cents. It kind of went all the way down to 39 cents. Then it had a nice bounce up here. Got all the way to about 56 cents. And then it's at 59 cents. And it's going up, up, up. Here we go. Here, look at the mountain. You got to have a four-wheeler to go up this mountain. So here we are at over 70 cents. So crypto.com is doing pretty fantastic right now, everybody. The circulation is at 83% right now, so we already got a circulation at 83% of circulation. Market cap is 17.7 billion. So what is crypto.com coin? CRO. Crypto.com coin is a native cryptocurrency token of crypto.com chain, a decentralized open source blockchain developed by crypto.com payment, trading, and financial company. Crypto.com chain is one of the products in Crypto.com lineup of solutions designed to accelerate the global adoption of cryptocurrency as a means of increasing personal control over money, safeguarding users' data, and protecting users' identity. The CRO blockchain serves primarily as a vehicle that powers the Crypto.com Pay mobile payment app In the future, Crypto.com plans to expand the reach of CRO platform to power its other platforms, its other products as well. CRO went live November/December of 2018, so it's not necessarily a new coin. It's been around for a couple years. It just may be new to all of us because all of a sudden, Crypto.com just purchased the naming rights of the Staples Center to be called Crypto.com. We know we got all kinds of fans not happy about that, but all of a sudden that happened, and boom, look at this. It's in the top 20. So pretty interesting things. Give us your comments in the bottom of Crypto.com. Have you been following this coin for a year? Have you been following this coin for 2 years? Or did you just hear about this coin in the last week or two? Let's head over to the website. All right, let's play
History is filled with almosts. With those who almost adventured, who almost achieved, but ultimately, for them it proved to be too much. Then there are others, the ones who embrace the moment and commit. And in these moments of truth, these men and women, these mere mortals, just like you and me, as they peer over the edge, they calm their minds and steel their nerves with 4 simple words that have been whispered by the intrepid since the time of the Romans. Fortune favors the brave.
All right, a pretty good advertisement by Crypto.com. So with that, jumping over to the website, it says up here at the top, NFTs. So on Crypto.com, coming November 22nd, the 23rd, Lions are loaded. The NFTs are coming. So the big thing with Crypto.com, we got NFTs are coming, which is pretty cool. View the Dropbox. So all kinds of good stuff going on with Crypto.com today. Let's go ahead and hit it over to Hillary Clinton. What does Hillary have to say about cryptocurrency? I don't think she's a big favor of it. Let's check it out, everybody. Over here at Insiders, Hillary Clinton says cryptocurrency has the potential to destabilize the nation and traditional currency. So here's Hillary. So what does she have to say? Hillary addresses the mining and trading of cryptocurrency at the panel. She warned about the rise of new cryptocurrency technology and the complex relations between U.S., China, and Russia. Says right here, Hillary isn't a big fan of cryptocurrency. She thinks the widespread adoption could undermine the traditional currency, including the dollar, and destabilize nations, big and small. The former Democrat president candidate and Secretary of State made a comment webcast during a panel discussion at the Bloomberg New Economy Forum in Singapore on Friday. And she says what looks very interesting and somewhat exotic effort to literally mine new coins in order to trade them with the potential for undermining the currency, for undermining the role of the dollar as a reserve currency, for destabilizing the nation and perhaps starting with the small ones but going much larger, she said. Clinton comments through the countries grappling with both the adoption and the regulation of the cryptocurrency. We know China has banned the privacy use of cryptocurrency, but making all cryptocurrencies related business illegal. They recently passed a $1 trillion bill bringing together rules of crypto trading taxes. Meanwhile, some developing nations are embracing crypto. El Salvador adoption Bitcoin as legal tender in September with the hopes of it becoming a better economy. Hillary's not necessarily liking the cryptocurrency, but as I would say to everybody, cryptocurrency is here to stay. There's going to be a stadium in Los Angeles called Crypto.com. And it's going to be here for 20 years. So crypto's here to stay. So here's the Staples Center, and here's what it says. The NBA fans react with a full-blown outrage over the news that the Staples Center will be renamed Crypto.com. So not too many people in the NBA world are liking this. Okay, this is the one part I like right here. It says the Crypto.com arena begins on December 25th. It was like an atomic bomb went off in the NBA world. Yet to see a single person online come out and say that this is a good name. Why are they not saying it's a good name? Okay, look what the article says. It says it right here. Because it is truly an awful name. I mean, literally, one of the most famous NBA arenas is being named. They think it's literally, truly one of the most, truly an awful name. Well, give us your thoughts in the bottom. I like the name. And it says right here, I'm 100% in the camp that this is the worst name ever, but at the same time, I can't help but laugh at the fact that the arena is currently named after a staple. After Staples, an office supply store chain that I haven't spent money on since I was a kid. Staple is virtually a non-existent, did you see this? A non-existent, aside from having a name on an arena in Los Angeles. So, literally, some people don't like the way the name is. The fans say it's the most awful name ever. I don't know. I think it's the big pushback because they're not used to cryptocurrency. We got the mainstream pushing back. We got Hillary Clinton talking about she doesn't necessarily like it. I don't know. Give us your thoughts in the bottom. What's your thoughts of Crypto.com being renamed the stadium? Now there's a Crypto.com coin, CRO, that's in the top 20. I mean, it's been around for a couple years, just kind of hearing about it. Don't forget to hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up-and-coming videos. Our goal on the channel is to help everybody learn about cryptocurrency. Crypto.com, yeah, it's going to happen. They're going to help learn about every cryptocurrency. Today, Tom Brady's going to be talking about FTX. Today, Tom Brady's going to be talking about what he's getting into. And he knows he's getting into cryptocurrency, just like everybody else is getting into cryptocurrency. What's my price prediction here with this Crypto.com? What's up 65%? This is just the beginning, everybody. It's going to keep going up. So my price prediction is going to go up, up, up. All our information is for educational purposes only, but it's now becoming more and more, everybody's hearing about Crypto.com. Wait till that on the stadium when all of a sudden the Staples is taken off and you see Crypto.com in real life. It's going to be pretty good. Today's Sunday. Football is going to be going on. Tom Brady's going to be pumping it. Let's go ahead and have an awesome Sunday today. Frank from Frank's Crypto Corner. Hey, everybody, don't forget to click right here to see our most recent video. Let's have a fantastic day today on Sunday.